Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dropbox video folders into Final Cut Pro. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the folder containing the video files you want to download. Click on the folder to open it and view its contents. Select the video files you wish to download by clicking the checkboxes next to them. If you want to download the entire folder, click on the download button located at the top of the page. The files will be downloaded as a zip file if you chose the entire folder. If you selected individual files, they will download separately. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file in your computer's downloads folder. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All to unzip it. Follow the prompts to extract the files to a folder of your choice. Open Final Cut Pro on your computer. In Final Cut Pro, navigate to the File menu and select Import then Media. This will open the import window where you can browse for your. Locate the folder where you extracted your video files. Select the files you wish to import by clicking on them. You can hold down the Command key to select multiple files at once. After selecting your files, click the Import Selected button. Final Cut Pro will begin importing your video files into your project library. Once imported, you can drag the videos onto your timeline for editing. You are now ready to start working on your video project in Final Cut Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.